Hi, third graders. Today we're looking at our math lesson for fractions again. Word problem again to start us off. Gwenna used 4 tomatoes to prepare soup for 2 guests. How many tomatoes will she be required to make soup for 6 guests? Okay, so go ahead and pause the video, do your work, press play when you're ready to check. Okay, so hopefully you have your work in front of you. You've done the work, and you should have how many tomatoes she will need to make soup for 6 guests. Okay, so if she needed 4 for 2 guests, she's going to need 12 tomatoes for 6 guests. Okay, there's some work for you. You can pause this video to look at it a little bit closer to help you if you need some help on that one. Today we're going to look at comparing fractions, okay? This video is lesson 30, link number 1, so go watch that and come right back. We're going to talk about some comparing fractions and using those models, okay? So let's take a look at this fraction. So we have 2/3 and we have 3/6 here, okay? So if you want to, you can draw a model similar to this on your paper in front of you. If not, that's okay. We can just kind of look at this model here. But up top, I see three parts, and that's similar to the fraction 2/3, right? Because it has 3 parts, and it's telling me though that I need to shade 2 of them. How do I know that? And because my numerator of 2 shows that I want to have 2 parts of that shaded. So I want to shade this one, I'm going to want to shade this one. Okay. Now on the bottom, on the second one, 3/6, on the bottom fraction, I have 6 total parts, and it has my numerator of 3. So 3 are going to want to be shaded. So I'm going to shade these 3, and then I'm going to want to compare them. Okay. So imagine that you got one of them and your friend got another one, and see which one would have more. Okay. I often think of them as cake. I really like cake, and so think about if you got this much cake, 2/3 of a cake, and your partner or your friend or your sibling or something got 3/6 of a cake, well, who would get more cake, and compare them? So if I did that, this is what it would look like. I know again this shading is kind of hard to see, but 2/3 ends here, and 3/6 ends here. So we can see that 2/3, if I got 2/3 and my brother got 3/6, 2/3, I would get more of the pieces of cake than my brother would get. And so 2/3 is greater than 3/6. All right, take a look at this one. Pause the video and try this one on your own, and let's see what you can get. Okay, hopefully you've tried this one on your own. 3/5 compared to 4/6. Okay, so it's drawn over here on the right, 3/5, or 5 parts, and so you can shade in 3 of them for the numerator. And then down here you have 6 parts, and you're going to want to shade in 4 of them for that numerator. And go ahead and take a look at that one, see which one is greater. Hopefully you got that 3/5 is less than 4/6. So looking at these, 3/5 ends here, 4/6 ends here, because 4/6 is greater than 3/5. So again, if I had 3/5 and my brother had 4/6, my brother is going to have a larger amount of cake than I am going to have. Okay, so 3/5 is less than 4/6. Your last one for today is 3/4 compared to 4/5. I want you to try this one on your own. Whenever you're done, you can go ahead and press play again to check your work on this one. Okay, hope you guys are having a great day. And make sure that you guys are doing something great today, helpful, help those around you today.